Hi everyone, my name is Kirill, I came from Russia.
This is my home in Dalian. From the energy-saving lights to smart home appliances, this low-carbon lifestyle has been integrated into every aspect of my life in China. Good morning.
哎，早晨好。
你也来买菜了？
我也买菜。
好了。Sister, use Alipay super easy. Living in such a beautiful environment, walking is my best choice.
The transportation in Dalian is well connected, making it very convenient to go shopping malls or famous tourist places. If I'm in the city center of Dalian, I'm usually choose to take energy-saving buses or subway.
You see, so convenient. Wait. 你好。你放家门口就行。谢谢。Just now the courier called me. Recently I bought some things online and they all arrived one by one. Using the mobile payments has made shopping super convenient. Mobile payments has made shopping so convenient. Mobile payments reduces the use of the paper currency, making low carbon living with the rich. There are many green travel modes. In the urban area, I take the bus. Out of the urban area, I choose the electric car. There are many charging stations in Dalian. Charging is so convenient. Wow, you see those lines of solar panels? Don't they look spectacular? Around the Dalian in the villages, you will see many of these solar panels. Farmers in their homes also use the green power. Wow! This place is amazing. Let's see around. Follow me. You don't know what they're doing, what they can do, how much power they have, and all these things. It's now in the future actually. I have been living in Dalian already 12 years. I have my own small home. As you can see, it's just a small part of the low carbon lifestyle in Dalian. I really enjoy this kind of life. I hope you will enjoy it too. Such a great Dalian, such a delicious food. Waiting for you to come and try it.